Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to create an e-wallet program in Odoo. Now to actually have your e-wallets, you need to follow these steps that are basically by Odoo documents, which are pretty much official. So e-wallets allow customers to save credit on their online account and use these credits as a payment method when buying items in an online store or brick and mortar store. Now, to enable e-wallets and gift cards because they go together, you need to go for the e-commerce and point of sale POS and then go ahead and enable discount in loyalty gift card under the sales app. Then click on configuration, settings and pricing section. Once enabled, you need to go to the sell app, products, gift cards and e-wallets and create a new e-wallets gift card program. As you can see, to create a top-up product, go to sales app, products, and create new product. So once you have done this product, now you need to go to your gift cards and e-wallet to create an e-wallet program. The following configuration options are available and you need to follow them step by step. First of all, enter a name for the e-wallet program. Program type selects e-wallet, so it's gonna be e-wallet, not gift card. Then mention and select all the product that's gonna be related to this e-wallet. So select the e-wallet top-up created earlier. Repeat the process if you created top-ups of different amounts. Make an email template, so select the templates that you want to be used once the email is sent to the customer. To create a new template, you can literally just click on the field right here, as you can see, and you will be able to create a template for yourself. You can simply put like the product here, currency, company name, the available on point of sale, sales, websites, and that's pretty much it. Once you're done with that, simply click on send and share and save the e-wallets, and there you go. So that was it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.